Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's topic is a inner class. Java inner class or a nested class is a class that is declared inside the class or interface. We use inner classes to logically group classes and interfaces in one place to be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of the outer classes, including private data member and methods. In Java, it is also possible to nested classes, a classes within a class. The purpose of a nested classes is to group classes that belong together, which make your code more readable and maintainable. To access the inner class, create an object of the outer class of then create an object of inner class. Java inner classes, nested classes. Java inner class or nested class is a class that is declared inside the class or interface. We use inner classes to logically group classes and interfaces in one place to be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of the outer class, including private data members and methods. Syntax of inner class. Class Java, outer class, open curly brace, code, class Java, inner class, open curly brace, code, close curly braces. Advantage of Java inner classes. There are three advantages of inner classes in Java. They are also follow. Nested classes represent a particular type of a relationship, that is, it can access all the members, data members and methods of the outer class, including private. Nested classes are used to develop more readable and maintainable code because it logically group classes and interface in one place only. Code optimization. It requires less code to write. Need of a Java inner class. So sometimes user need to program a class in such a way so that no other class can access it. Therefore, it would be better if you include it within other classes. If all the classes objects are part of the outer object, then it is erased to nested the class inside the outer class. That way all the outer classes can access all the object of the inner class. Type of nested classes. There are two types of nested classes, non-static and static nested classes. The non-static nested classes are also known as inner classes. Non-static nested classes, inner classes, member inner classes, anonymous inner class, logical inner class, static nested class. Type description. Member inner class A, class create within a class and outside method. Anonymous inner class A, class create for implementing an interface or expanding class. The Java compiler decide its name local inner class. A class was created within the method. Static nested class. A static class was created within the class. Nested interface, an interface create within a class or interface. Unlike a regular class, an inner class can be provided private or protected. If you don't want outside object to access the inner class, declare the class as a private. Thank you.